Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I decided to show you how to make millions online, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Our first trade will be a buy position. We have invested our whole deposit of $100. I don't want to waste a lot of time on pumping it. Let's just make everything fast, so that's why $100 are invested. The whole hour deposit, just small period of time, 1 minute, that's more than enough. It will help us to earn as much money as possible during a very short period of time. So why did we open first buy position here? Everything is very simple. Firstly, because price has hit the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. Now it acts like the support line zone. We were trying to break through it. It turned out to be the false breakout. Then price got back above the middle line. And from this support line zone, we started receiving the pullback reaction. So everything is very, very simple. And as you can see, the first trade was a profitable one. We have $192 on the account right now, and we are ready to move forward. So let it be GBP USD. Here, as you can see, we have touched the bottom line of the channel. We started receiving pullback reaction from it. Now we are trying to hit and break through the middle line. Let's help price to do this. Once again, we're investing our whole deposit, $192 in it. And I'm quite sure that we are ready to break through this middle line. Why? First, because if we pay attention to the Vortex Oscillator, we have quite nice divergence in the volumes, showing us that we have the prevalence of the buyers right now on the market, which are moving the price currently. That's why we're highly likely to break through this middle line zone and continue growing at least to the upper edge of the current Bollinger Bands channel. So it's done. We have $339 on the account, and we are ready to continue. GBP Audi, BHD CNI. Okay, BHD CNI. Here we are touching once again the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel, receiving a nice pullback reaction, and from here I am almost sure that we will continue growing. That's why, no, let me change my mind, let me open sell position, because I have just checked the Vortex Oscillator, which is showing us the prevalence of the sellers on the market, plus we are quite close to this resistance line zone, which is connected to the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, and such nice combination is telling me that, bro, it's better just to sell this asset right now. So that's what I have already done. I have sold this asset, investing our $300 in this trade, and we still have like $39 left on the account. This is our hedge asset. So that's it. Let's see what will we get from this trade, guys. So it's done. We have $615. Let's move forward and let me think what we're going to do. As you can see, according to the must bounce strategy, when price can't break through the resistance or support line zone for quite a long time, we're highly likely to receive a strong pullback reaction from this support or resistance. Here, as you can see, price was trying to break through the resistance line zone, which is connected to the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, but all attempts were unsuccessful. So now I'm quite sure that price will drop. Moreover, we have already shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, and we have already seen false breakthrough at the previous bullish candle. Now we are going to drop finally and hit the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel once again, and we have already done this, if you can see. Okay, so this trade is closed and we have $1,029 on the account right now. Let's continue, my friends. Let's continue pumping our deposit. We have a lot of time for this still. Let me change our investment to $650. Still, we have $379 left on the account as a hedge asset. By the way, guys, while we're waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and Correct. Subscribe to the best private TG channel ever, which will provide you with the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Do this right now. Link in the description. Okay, guys, while I was talking, the time has already passed, and we are ready to see the result of this beautiful trade. Just several seconds left. And yeah, I was absolutely right. When I have opened it, we have $1,627 on the account, and still we have enough time to open one more trade for today's trading session. So let's don't waste time. Let's do this. Let's move quickly of the Bollinger Bands channel right now. Let me change our investment to $700 and open sell position. Why did I do this? Firstly, because our last attempt, when we had the pullback reaction from the bottom line zone, we started growing and we have hit the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, trying to break trade, but it was unsuccessfully. Then we have shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, confirming the downgoing tendency which we're observing right now. And with this strong movement, we have already broken through the bottom line of the channel. We have already made the new local low, and we have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and with this fuel we are ready to continue our descending movement. Moreover, if we are paying attention to the Vortex Oscillator, we have huge prevalence of the sellers on the market right now. So this trade is absolutely simple and it was profitable. We have closed it, and our current deposit is $2,271 on the account, and this is amazing result which we have shown today. So my friends, if you want to have the same kind of results as me, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for the purpose is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG using the link below. Don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. See you all, and bye bye.